Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will learn about do while loop. This is an exit control loop, which means that it first enters the loop, executes the statements and then checks the condition. Therefore, a statement is executed at least once on using the do while loop. After executing once, the program is executed as long as the condition holds true. So let's create a new file, dowhile.php, and here we will copy the complete code from while loop to do while loop. So we will change values here to understand the difference between while and do while. First we initialize the variable and then do, and while will be here and the increment operator inside the do. So echo $i and break line, press Alt or Enter, change the file name to do while, and here is the result. Let's again use this loop inside this do while loop. First we will initialize the value, then do block, and the condition will be here, and the code so now when we execute this, and here is the result 1 2 3 4 5, and we will delete this line. And here we will use break line before this counter, and here is the result. So that's the difference between while and do while loop. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to this channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comments section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.